This iPad is Apple's 9th generation iPad. It came out last year. Obviously before that there was, like, back in 2020, Apple released the iPad 8th generation with a starting storage of 32 gigabyte. This one is doubled of 64 gigabyte of storage. If you're budget conscious, this is the perfect iPad for you without sacrificing a reliable user experience, because you can save a lot more money by purchasing this iPad. The high-end iPads are ridiculously more expensive, mostly due to the M1 or M2 chip. You can hardly tell the difference when you're using this unless you're doing heavy tasks such as video editing. But if you're doing regular tasks, playing games, watching videos, drawing, homework, this is the perfect iPad. This 9th generation iPad comes in two colors, silver and space gray. Apple removed the gold color. I have no idea why. My daughter wanted a gold color because this is actually it's gonna be my daughter's iPad. This is the same design as the previous generation iPad 8th with a 10.2-inch Retina display True Tone. The starting storage is 64 gigabyte with a price of $329 for the Wi-Fi model. They have the cellular version as well, that's a lot more. I got the Wi-Fi model, and actually this is the same price as the previous version. Even though this is a lot more powerful, the specs are a lot higher, better, a higher processor, and Apple still didn't raise the price, which is very good.
Very good.
Apple is no longer listing the iPad 8th on their website. You only can see iPad mini, iPad 9th generation, which is the one I have now, iPad 10th, iPad Air, and iPad Pro. It's compatible with Apple Pencil 1st generation. Let's get started. Let's unbox this iPad. This is the iPad 9. This is the Wi-Fi model. This is the speakers and for USB-C lightning chargers. That's for Smart Connect, for like connecting keyboard. This is for audio jack, the power on and off or sleep button, volume up and down. That's the color. The Apple Pencil 1st generation, which is $100. You can save $82 by buying this one on Amazon. It works perfectly fine. You can turn it on and off. So you have to turn it on. It comes with a USB-C charger. Once you turn it on, it works perfectly fine. This pencil also has all of the functions as the Apple Pencil. Boom. Also, you don't need Bluetooth or any other app to use this pencil with your iPad. You just need to turn it on and then start using it. It has high precision, no scratch. You're able to draw, take note, write, or play games. It has the same functionality as the Apple Pencil. Instead of spending $100 on the Apple Pencil, you can buy this and save yourself $82. So this is the package of the pencil. It comes with its own charger and this pen tips replacement, the pencil tips replacement, and with its own charger. It's called, I think the brand is C Pen. So I'm just gonna put the link in the description for you guys to buy this pencil yourself. You're gonna save a lot of money and will be very happy with your purchase. So I got the screen protector for this tablet. This is the anti-blue light screen protector for this iPad that I'm going to install. It's really good for our eyes. I'm going to add the link in the description as well for you guys to purchase on Amazon if you'd like to. Lastly is this this case that I have. I also purchased it on Amazon. I will link it in the description. It also comes with the Apple Pencil holder. It's perfect. This holder can rotate 360, can be sitting perfectly. It's really firm. Perfect case. That's gonna be my daughter's case. Perfect, guys. I'll link it in the description. The case is only $26. Thank you guys for watching this video. As a new channel, I would appreciate you guys subscribing, liking, and sharing this. Thank you guys for watching again. See you next time.